Free Rider, 1959.
We ain't doing a moto vlog today, 'cause we haven't done a moto vlog in 2 friggin' months. Between the weather and my flu and lack of enthusiasm.
Yay!
Why they fucking do that, I don't know. But how much? Yeah, he got an entire car length and a half. Oh, now he's pulling up. My God.
Yay!
Am I just eating because I'm bored?
T-shirt wearing cruiser rider. Ah, damn it. I'll never catch up to him. Flip him off.
All the other kids with the bumped up kicks better run, outrun my gun. All the other kids with the bumped up kicks better run, faster than my bullet. All the other kids with the bumped up kicks better run, outrun my gun. All the other kids with the
Alright, here we go. I guess he's not too friendly. Oh, God. I have to really just... Oh, thank you, Grandpa. Put your LTD away. Close enough. Yeah! Little back end swipe out, swinging out, wing-a-ding-a-dinga.
Yay!
blinkers on.
Yeah, I know. I'll get to it. Too many buttons. I need one button for everything. What's going on, brother?
Like in a while.
Hey.
How you doing?
New haircut, or you just get it cut?
Just got it cut.
Yeah.
Style. I like it short because I ride to work that one day a month I gotta ride.
Yeah, I know.
Not have helmet head.
You're a terrible commute. What year is this?
2011.
Nice. Real nice.
It's got a lot of aftermarket.
You know, I thought...
The exhaust.
So you don't have to stop so many times heading out to California. Why doesn't Ghost Anime just ride bitch with you?
Get a nice massage on the way.
I know it's a guy, but not bad.
Can we pop by KT and say hi?
Yeah, I would.
Alright.
Hey, you need to get some fake antennas. Because you look like a state cop from behind. I mean, seriously, the upright riding position, the white helmet.
Same bike that CPS uses. CHP or whatever.
Right. Oh yeah, nice, huh? Oh look at that. Nice. Let me get right on there. I need to heat up my tires before the Christmas light, you know. Your rear fender's too low for me to hit you in the ass end with my front tire.
I was watching that car behind us because he was coming up high. I was like, hold on, hold on. You did a lot of grabbing there. Here, he's got a few vehicles missing. That's his work truck, and then he's got another few vehicles that are just like here.
Yep.
And that concludes our broadcast day.
Like and subscribe.